Okay, right now I am going to be discussing how I prune or top my pepper plants. There's a handful of different ways that I tried this last year, and many of them had different results. If you look at some of my earlier videos, that Carolina Reaper that I had was just enormous. But unknowingly that I was doing something bad, I kept pruning it while it was flowering. I know some of you are laughing at me right now. And every time I did that, it shocked the plant, dropped all the buds and flowers, and I got nothing out of it. I grew the plant for 7 months and didn't get a single pepper off of it. But what I've learned from my outdoor plants and also from this white Thai pepper, you see how it's branching out. Let's see if I can get a decent angle on that bottom half there. As you see, it's just got branches going in every direction. What I did was, on this one, was I did not top it. What I did was pretty much exactly this. What you see here, I did on the black pearl. I did this on the pearl because the leaves were crumbling and dying. I'm not sure what the problem is, but this is probably the better thing for it. Anyway, so one method is to prune all the leaves from the right here. Okay, but I want to point out, as you've seen, I only cut the leaf off. I didn't cut the stem off. Give you a little closer picture on that. So I get the focus. Come on. Maybe, maybe not, huh? But anyhow, there you go. Yeah, there we go. Get my finger out of there. Leave the stems on. The plant will pull nutrients from those stems, and it will be less shocking to the plant. And in 2 or 3 days, those will just get weak. They get kind of clear, and they just fall off. And each one of those branches, there's a dormant bud at the base, and it sprouts out, grows another branch. So these short little plants like this, and like the Thai pepper, that's what I've been doing, is just the bottom leaves like that, so that they bush out, which is very helpful. Now on these taller plants, like this ahi mango, it was all the way up to here. What I did is basically I just cut it in half, and then again took just the top 2 leaves off, leaving the stems. Now that's going to branch into 3 or 4 branches that come out, and the rest of the plant I will probably just leave on its own. With these larger plants, I've been doing it this way. Creates for a nice canopy, but it keeps it short and compact, which is what I need. These little tinier plants, like the black pearl, the Thai pepper, stuff like that, the way I've been doing it is like this, so that it creates kind of a bushy plant, and I get more for my space that way. I guess that's about it, but I want to remind everybody, do not prune your plants after they start flowering and all that stuff, because my experience, it will drop everything it's doing. But see you guys later.